No, I'm okay. Oh yeah, I saw those this morning. Yeah. Okay for today, but thank you.
Why?
Oh, I was just getting some fitness in. I was going for a walk.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Where are from?
Pardon?
France.
Yeah, I'm okay, thanks. See ya.
Sir, come other side.
Other side?
Side tuk-tuk, too much problem.
Alright. That's pretty cool.
Yeah. How old are you, sir?
I'm 16.
16.
Yeah.
So, my daughter 17.
Your daughter's 30?
17.
Oh, 17.
17. You 16,
Oh, yeah.
my daughter also 17.
Yeah.
What's your name?
Pardon? Just the fish markets are just around there, aren't they?
No. You come, I am also work here.
Oh, okay.
I am work, fish market, right fish market, I am work. In Sri Lanka, you mother, so father, you brother, sister?
Oh, I'm just like, I'm like pretty well off. Like, you know,
Yeah.
I had a successful business, like an
Business.
online business.
Okay. You mother, father, you brother, and the sister also business.
Oh no, I made it myself.
Yeah.
So I'm a bit of an entrepreneur.
Now in the Australia and in the school, now in the work. You
I dropped out of school.
job.
Yeah.
Where to the job the name?
Pardon?
Where to the job the name? You work in the name. Job
My business.
business.
Oh, it's like this.
Yeah.
It's like a tech business. So we sell like.
You father?
Pardon?
Father.
And my father?
Yeah.
Oh no, I'm not a father.
Father no.
No.
Mother.
I've been to Singapore.
Singapore.
Yeah. I've been Sri Lanka.
How many country location you? Singapore and the Sri Lanka? How many country?
I'm going to 10 countries.
10?
Yeah. So I'm going to Singapore.
country?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Young boy, very young boy. So
Yeah.
10 country.
No, my business has done very well.
Good, I am too much happy. My daughter and the 17, you 16.
Yeah.
Okay.
But I'm going.
But okay, come. Look, tuna.
That's cool. Are they tunas?
Tuna.
Yeah.
You know, it's a tuna, is small baby tuna.
Yeah.
Very interesting. Can I take the photo video?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Do you want to get a selfie of us?
Yeah.
Do you want me in the picture too, or do you?
Yeah. Take care. Give the phone.
Are you sure?
Give the phone.
Pardon?
Yeah, come here.
Wait.
Wow, okay. Other side. Come. And the fish name.
Yeah.
Come.
Are these more tuna or are these Jewfish?
This is a mai.
Mima.
My. You look, this is a mai. Italy export.
Yeah.
It's Italy export. No. Can I take the picture?
Yeah. I got.
Come.
Is it alright if I hold it like that?
Okay. And the fresh water, sweet water.
Yeah.
You look. Okay. Now also can I? Look,
Yeah.
cut in area, and the lady people clean, put there and the salt. You
Yeah.
know? Come. Also in the looking. So very interesting.
Yeah, this is cool.
Somaliland, you know.
After this, I gotta get going now, Lawrence. Is that right?
Sir, only Negombo 5 location now, you know.
Yeah.
Negombo only 5 location now, you know. These people ask more money.
Yeah.
25 euro, 50 euro, $50. These people ask. But you know, Lawrence not us.
Yeah.
You know, Lawrence not us.
Yeah.
You know, 1 daughter, 3 son.
Yeah.
My family, okay.
Yeah.
I am also grandfather.
Oh, okay.
It's a grandfather. My big son also married 2 grandchildren.
Yeah.
Can I take the hand?
Yeah.
Also. Sir, I ask only 1 location, $10. You know,
Is that 1,000?
$10.
I have this.
You know, 1 location. But hotel guide people ask more money, 50 euro, $50. But I don't like. I ask only $10. You know, $10, 10 euro. You know, but Sri Lanka rupee is very cheap money, and the $10 and the 4,000 rupees. No, 4,000 rupees.
Oh no, I don't have them. I gotta go.
No sir, only one location and the $10, 3,000 rupees. You know, 3,000 rupees.
I don't have that much.
No, 3,000 rupees. Other location in the fish market also looking only 5,000 rupees. No problem, you give 3,000 rupees. No problem. You know, 1 kilo rice, Sri Lanka, 1 kilo rice, 700 rupees.
Yeah.
You know, 1 kilo rice, 700 rupees. $10 very cheap money, 3,000 rupees. You give the little money, my family, my children, all people so eating. That's only 3,000 rupees, very cheap money. You know?
I don't have 3,000 though.
Yes, sir. 1,000 rupees very cheap money, sir. Only no problem. Only 2,000 rupees, nothing, no problem. Only 2,000, only $5.
I don't have 2,000 though.
Yes, sir. Very no, sir. Only 1,000 also. And they look in 1 kilo rice, 700 rupees, sir. Please. 2,000 rupees you give my family also in the eating, and the rice also in the eating. You know, 2,000 only $5, sir. Only $5.
I don't have 2,000 though.
Okay, give. Okay, give 2,000, no problem.
No, I don't have 2,000 loans.
Very cheap, sir. 1,000 rupees, very cheap money, sir. You understand? Only 1 kilo rice, 700, 800 rupees. 1 coconut, 300 rupees. My family also eating maybe 2,000, 3,000 rupees only lunch.
Yeah.
Yeah. Only 2,000 rupees give, nothing, no problem.
I have like, I think I have like, I think I have like 5 million, but I can't give away any of
Yeah, I
that.
understand. But I have only 2,000 rupees. You look in the St. Mary Church other side, in Negombo city. Only 10 minutes in the walking, St. Mary Church. Very interesting.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, I going now. Okay. Now it's only 2,000 rupees, keep, sir, please. 2,000 rupees, very cheap money, sir. My children, 7 people and 18, no, please.
I don't have 2,000 though.
Okay, sir, give, no problem.
No, I don't have it.
No, oh, you give, no problem. You give money, no problem. Okay, so little money, give nothing, no problem. I going now.
I only got 1 million.
No, okay, no problem. You give the little money, nothing, no problem. I now.
But 1 million.
No.
Okay.
No. You now give, no.
One.
Give, no. You now give, no, 1,000 rupees, nothing, no problem. You give nothing, no. I going.
No, 1 million's too much. I can't.
1,000 rupees now give, no. 1,000 rupees.
No, I can't give 1 million.
Okay, sir, you give little money. Also, the looking, can I take the photo, video in the picture and the right piece? You looking? You little money give, nothing, no problem. I go in the work. Okay, we understand, no? You maybe my son.
No, I don't. I only carry big bills.
Okay, nothing, no problem. You give 1,000 rupees, nothing, no problem. And the $3, you give before 1,000 rupees, no, nothing, no problem. You give, no problem.
I only carry big bills though.
No,
so
sir.
I don't have 1,000.
No, sir, I understand. You now give 1,000 rupees, no problem. 1,000 rupees, no problem. I now going. You know? 1,000 rupees.
I don't have 1,000.
Yeah. Sorry. Okay.
Hey.
Okay, 1,000 rupees give. I now going in the eating. No problem. You now give 1,000 rupees. I'm going to now. I was going to eating.
No, I only carry big bills.
Yeah. Okay, now give.
Pardon?
Okay, sir.
No, so I can't. Do you know where Goldie Sands is?
Goldie Sands.
Goldie Sands?
Yes.
Down there?
Yeah.
Along the
Sir,
beach?
very cheap.
300 to get there?
Goldie side.
Pardon?
Goldie side. Road, ne?
Goldie Sands.
Goldie Sands. Yeah.
It's along the beach.
These are 5 kilometers there, no?
Pardon?
5 kilometers there, no?
Do you want me to show maps?
You can do some
Yeah, it's about 4 kilometers down that way.
Yes, Kuda Padua.
Yeah.
Inheritance. Yeah, Goldie Sands, yeah.
Yeah. Do you know how to get there?
Local price to 800 rupees.
It's a local price 800.
No, it's I was around 250. Yeah.
Local price give 800.
No, local price is not 800. That's not true. 250 or 300? 300? Alright, okay.
Okay,
See ya.
sir, no problem. You give the little money, I am going.
Pardon?
Yeah, you give the little money
No,
also in the round.
I can't.
Also in the round, you look in and the dried piece. I am now eating, very hungry. Why that is very hungry, sir? Very hungry.
Yeah, but I only carry big bills.
So very hungry, no? Now also in the round, you looking in the, can I take the video picture and the dried piece? You looking now?
I only carry big bills,
Yeah,
sir.
give little money, nothing, not problem.
Yeah, but I only carry big bills.
Okay, give little money.
Hey.
रुपये तुमसे रंडे में कोरतोड़ तुमसे बैग कोरतोड़
Goldie Sands.
What?
Goldie Sands. It's about 4 kilometers along the beach.
किलोमीटर
400.
4 kilometers.
Yeah, 400. Okay.
300.
वो अरे उनका तुमसे रंडे क्या है
400.
No, I can only
1
do.
kilometer 100 rupees. Normal price.
I
Sri Lankan
can-
rupees.
Yeah, I'll do. Or what about 350?
मामा मैं इच्छा रखा रखिला वो इतना वाटे आग गीला मैं
Do you know how to get there?
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, sir, see you, bye.
See ya.
Okay, little. You know, some people also little money give. No, sir, I give.
You didn't tell me that like it costed money
No,
though.
sir, little money give. No, sir, also on the round you can take the video in the picture.
Like-
So very no give, no, sir. You look and also in the round, no. So
Pardon?
little money give, no little money.
Nah, sorry.
Shit.
Like Sri Lanka, sir.
Yeah, it's good. Yeah.
How many days Sri Lanka?
Today's my second day, and then I'm here for 2 weeks, so
2 weeks.
yeah.
Yes. And Negombo nice places you going?
Pardon?
Negombo beautiful places.
Yeah, I'm going to cross Sri Lanka. Yeah. Nah, it should be good though.